Hey guys, Tom Spall here, at Tommy Spall on Twitter. I'm just going to show you how you can app smash both Flipgrid and Flippity.net, flipping for awesomeness, and put them together, and you can embed your Flipgrid videos inside flashcards on Flippity.net, so you have visual flashcards or sight word cards for your kids. So how did I do this? Well, real fast, I'm going to show you. So I went to flipgrid.com, I titled this topic, second grade sight words, and then I created my sight word card. So this is the word carry, and this one is the word bring. So I made my videos less than 30 seconds, and then here's my sight word. So I talked about the sight word, what it is, I spelled it out for the kids, I also did a definition, and then a couple sentences using that sight word. Then I went over to Flippity.net and I took the flashcard template and made myself a template. Just to mention, this also works in a couple other Flippity.net activities. It does work in quiz shows, so that would be really cool if you want to do like a true daily double and had a video of you explaining that daily double, that clue or that question on the quiz show, on the Jeopardy quiz show. Works great. So once I have that template, here's what that template looks like when I get it. I'm going to delete all the content here. So just highlight it, delete it. And I'm going to add in my own content. This is what it looks like. So I added in my own content. And then I found out that the best, when I took the, work real quick, when we go back over to Flipgrid, I'm going to take the embed code. So when I pause this, take the embed code on the share button, and copy the embed a response card. So now that's copied. I'm going to go back over here, paste it in, and it's going to say something different right here for the width and the height. I suggest changing it to 450 by 300. That seems to work the best. So make sure you change it 450 by 300. And then when I go to get the link here, I'm going to double check in File. Make sure I publish this to the web. It has to be published to the web to make it from the text version onto the online digital game. And I'm going to click on here, go to that link, and now I have my flashcards. So here's the word carry. If I click on it, and here's my embedded video. I can click play right here, and it'll play the video right here, or I can click on the pop-out and make it full screen on my screen. So I hope that really helps. I hope that you enjoy making some digital flashcards for your kids. They'll really enjoy it. If I want to go to the next card, just click on the next card. And then I have my built-in video right there for visual reference on what the sight word is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, follow me at Tommy Spall on Twitter, and I'll see you later.